Okay, let's talk about using just one WhatsApp number for all your different Zoho teams.
You know the drill, right? It's a total mess for your customers and your teams.
Well, now Zoho lets you use one single number across all your different services. So simple.
What does this mean? Basically, one continuous conversation instead of a bunch of broken chats.
Okay, so how does it all actually stay in sync? Let's dive in. Any message just pops up everywhere it needs to, creating one single unified thread.
And this is the really cool part. A reply from one team shows up masked for another.
But, one service has to be in charge, and that's called the parent service.
Super simple, right? It's just the first Zoho service where you initially set up the number.
Think of it as the main hub, the control center for all of your automations.
So, rule number 1, chatbots, they only run from that one parent service, period.
And that goes for everything else too. Auto replies, workflows, they all come from the parent.
All right, before you jump in, what do you really need to know? Let's cover that.
First things first, check your plan. This is mainly available for Zoho's bundles.
Like Zoho One.
But honestly, the tech is the easy part. Getting your teams aligned, that's the real key.
So get these 3 things right. Pick your parent, train your agents, and define your handoffs.
So really, the big question is, how will having this single view of your customer change everything?